Okay, hi my beautiful people, hi my most amazing people. How are we doing today? Hope we are doing great. Hope we are doing amazing. It's your girl Lena over here. We are ready for yet another session. Let me see you guys come through. Come through. Let us chat. Let us talk about trading. Let us talk about how to improve ourselves, how to better ourselves in trading. Come through, come through. Let's see how today is going to go. How today is going to play out. Okay. We were the same. Please come through. You're all most welcome. Happy to have you around. Good to see you. It's a Friday, right? So we are already into the weekend. How is your day going on my end? My day is beautiful. It's amazing. Let me hear from you. How is your day moving? Your trading journey? How is everything? Come through. Let us talk about it all. Your girl Lena is over here for you with all your trading tips, trading experiences, everything to do with trading. So come through, let us chat, let us see how today is going to play out. All right. I'm onto my chart as you can see over here. So let me see. Okay, so as we are seeing here, I'm trading binary options and I am on Pocket Option platform, all right? That is where I'm trading from. And over here on my chart, you are seeing Gold OTC. That is the chart that I'm on. So let us see how the day is going to play out. Come through, talk to me, chat with me. It's a Friday. Let us look at the market and we see how everything is working out. Okay, we are in a downtrend right now. That is a beautiful bearish structure built over here. Let's see. That is an amazing one. Okay. Let us see. Let us see. Let me get started off. Come through, guys, sending a message, a question, a concern, anything you feel like in our trading sessions we should maybe improve, we should do better. Your opinions are all most welcome. Okay, so that is a definite sell over there. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So we have signed off with a plus. So let us see how it's all going to play out. It's an amazing day. It's a beautiful day on my end over here. Let me hear from you. How is your day going? We are still in the bearish direction. Mama, 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 yeah. No time to be sad, guys. For as long as you master the skill, things get better, things get easy. Okay? Take your time, look at the market, all right? No rush. That is really a long downward movement we are having over here. Smile, hi Samil, how you doing? Good to have you. We proceed with our song. Good to have you, good to have you. Thank you for coming through. That is da uh okay, something risk taking, but what's a trader without risks? Ask me, ask me, ask me. We are all full of risks over here. And definitely, who is a trader without a risk? We have to take it and definitely we have to embrace it. Good to have you in the building. Good to have you. We are all in with our pluses over here. Doing good so far. Come through, watch the market with me. Let's see how it's all going to play out. We coming up tonight. So far, so good, guys. So far, so good. Beautiful. We are moving so good. This is an amazing start of our session. Plus after plus, plus after plus. Okay, Darian over there. Good to have you in the building. We proceed, guys. We proceed, guys. Thank you for coming through. It's always a beautiful day with you guys. Mm, let's go. As you can see, ever since I started off, we are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. Let us proceed. Why not placing another cell? Let me tell you guys, for if you are having a clear structure, if you are in a downtrend, all right, and definitely a beautiful momentum over here. And as you can see here, we are having that defined structure. We know that we are having some higher highs, higher lows over there. But for us, you have to be keen in this particular moment. You have to be very, very keen. You might want to place in a buy because of the pullbacks that are being formed. But one thing I told you guys, if you are not well conversant or if you do not know how to go about with pullbacks, please wait for that opportunity where you can trade in a trend. All right, don't rush. We have very, very many opportunities in the market, so wait for that particular beautiful moment when you can strike and then enter, get what you can get, and sit back and relax. Okay, so let us proceed. We are still in a downtrend over here. Okay, thank you, Darian over there. I'm seeing OMGpedia. Hi, how you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. It's good to have you join in. It's good to have you join in. It's a beautiful Friday over here. How is your day going? Where are you guys watching from? Where are you guys tuning in from? Let me know. Let me know. Let us move together. Okay, Exotic is in the building. Hi, how are you? How are you, Exotic? How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. It's so beautiful to have you for today's session. I believe we are going to have an exciting session, an amazing one. Just stick around. Let's see. Okay. Exotic is doing great. That is beautiful. That is amazing. I'm doing great myself over here. Okay. Rahman, hi, how are you? Hope you are great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you join your girl Lena over here. Get seated and relax. Let's see how it's all going to turn out. That is uh Misa, Misa or Darigam. At times, I'm reading your names. I'm trying to see an easier version of the name. But if I maybe read it in a wrong way, please pardon me. But it all comes from a place of love, right? Okay, so you're most welcome. Good to have you around. Send. Oh, hi, how are you? Hi, your girl Lena over here is doing amazing. It's a beautiful day. It's a great day for us to be here together. Raphael, hi, how are you doing? How is your day going? Good to have you join in. Good to have you. Let's go. Okay, so over there, that is Jose. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you join in. Good to have you. Let us proceed. And we see, so over there, as you can look at the market over there, trying to break above, but the sellers are like, nah, today it's our time to shine. So let's see how it all turns out. You are, you Okay, so today I'm going to talk about my strategy over here. I'm going to talk about it. So definitely let me see you guys come through and then we get started right away. Okay. Okay, that is Saint. All right. Solomon, hi. How are you? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. It's good to have you guys. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining your girl Lena over here. Guys, it's a Friday. Let's enjoy it as we catch some beautiful entries over here. Okay. Okay, that is an 8. I don't know how best to pronounce your name, how best to call you, but good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Okay. Wiki. Hi, Wiki. Oh, goodness. Your girl Lena over here. Sorry about that. That is full of excitement. Sorry about that. But it's good to have you. That is Wiki. Hi, how are you? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. That is a kiddie childy. Okay. Okay, so Kiddy is also asking about explaining my strategy. I'm going to get into that shortly. Amir, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's good to have you. It's good to have you. Okay, Simon. Hi, Simon. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Yoga Lena over here is doing amazing and definitely good to have you join in. Good night. Let's go. Okay. Mr. President King, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you guys join in. It's a beautiful day, a beautiful Friday over here. Please, for the people that are just coming through, the people that are just joining in, hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. that let us keep it going. We keep it interesting, we keep it amazing. So I think let me get into the strategy, talk about it such that at least before I get into the donations, we have something. Okay, all right. Good night. Mm-hmm. All right. It's always a good time. Mm-hmm. Uzochi is in the building. Hi Uzochi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, so guys, let me get into the strategy just right about now. Just that I'm seeing very many people that I need to say hi to. I2BFF. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Thank you for coming through. Moaz, hi over there. I see you. I see you. Uzochi. Okay. Sifi, Dorimon, how are you? Good to have you around, guys. So let me dive straight into with the strategy we see. So over here, I use on my chart as you see it there. I use a pure price action as my strategy, all right? So what do I look out for? How do I use my price action as a strategy? There are some few things that I look out for. Number one, that is the market direction. One, I have to understand if I talk about market direction, what exactly am I looking at? What exactly am I talking about? As you can see on my chart over there, I'm in a consolidation. We are trying to break below, okay? We were in a consolidation, and in that particular point, you have to be very, very careful before you place in your trade, before you actually enter into the market. Okay, so when I talk about market direction, we have three directions. That is the up. The bullish direction, which is the same as the uptrend. We have the bearish direction, which is the same as the downtrend. Then we have consolidation, which is the same as the sideway. Sideway, that is when we are not moving up or down. We are it's moving in a sideway direction. So we have to first of all understand, okay, fine, we are in an uptrend or we are in a downtrend, consolidation or sideway. Those are the three directions that I'm talking about. And next we are going to look at market structure. When we talk about market structure, what does it mean? Okay, so like I said, we have the directions. If, for example, we are in an uptrend and we are looking at market structure, what do we consider in that particular point? With the market structure in an uptrend, we are going to look at the higher highs and the higher lows. What do we mean by the higher highs and the higher lows? These are the different points that keep forming in that particular direction that we are in, and definitely what we shall be looking out for. Oof, made a loss over there, but we keep moving. It looks like today we are forming so much of the sideway movement, so we have to be careful in our placement of entries. Okay, so as I was saying, we have to look at particular points, all right? We have to look at those major higher highs. I mean the major higher highs and the major higher lows. Right now, I'm talking at a point of an uptrend. When we talk about that major, if you see on my chart right about now, we were definitely we had a major higher low, all right. That major higher low pushed the previous major higher high, and we broke a structure. So when we broke structure there, we are definitely expecting a pullback. At some point you find that we are going to break below, or we are going to proceed, we are going to continue in that particular trend that we are in. On some occasions, you find that we shall take a reversal, or we actually proceed up. So whenever we break a structure, one, we are going to have a pullback. When we have a pullback, that simply means that for someone who knows how to trade in a pullback, that is the time when you place in your trades. For someone who does not know how to trade at a pullback, please wait for the market to be trending. Wait to trade in that trending direction. All right. Then the other thing that maybe I can talk about in that particular point is that when we are in an uptrend, or when we are in a bullish direction, it does not mean that the sellers are completely ruled out. So whenever we are having those pullbacks, you find that that is the point that maybe I will place in my sell positions, all right? But you have to first study it to understand it, such that at least you know what you are doing in a pullback. Okay. Then the other thing that I was still saying about, we are still in an uptrend. When I say that the buyers are in control of the market, it does not mean that the sellers are completely ruled out. It simply means that there are few sellers in the market. Okay. Okay. So when we come to Okay, let us proceed. I was seeing someone who had sent in a message and I was wondering, but let us proceed with our strategy. I'll get back to that person later. Let me first finish. Okay, so when we come to a downtrend, definitely we look for that major lower high that pushes the previous major lower low to break structure. When we break the structure, that simply means that we are going to still have a pullback over there. And if we are good at trading with pullbacks, you proceed with that. If you are not, please wait for the candles to form that indicate that we are actually going to have a continuation, all right? Then trade that way. So one thing I can say is that when I talk about my structure, which is a price action, make sure that there are certain things that you look out for. When I talk about, sorry, I'm seeing someone here who is trying to, okay. Okay, so as I was saying, when you are looking at pure price action as your strategy, make sure to understand market structure so much. So much because it actually defines, it's the major point, it's the king in this particular strategy, all right? Because it allows you, it gives you that particular point where you should stand and place in your entries. Then on top of that, I've talked about the market direction, market structure. Then I'm also going to talk about the candlestick patterns. we have different candlestick patterns. You have to understand how these different candles behave, how it all plays out. We have the doji candles, we have the engulfing candles, we have different kinds of candles. So in that form, we are looking at the rejections, we are looking at momentum. There is a lot that happens on this chart over here that you have to understand. And the other thing, when we talk about the candlestick patterns, not everything that is formed, you're supposed to follow it, all right? Not everything that you see you're supposed to place in a trade. So that is where you are supposed to be so keen. That is where you are supposed to make sure that you look at your chart, you understand exactly what is happening before you rush to enter into the market. I choose three confluences, or I choose three things to look at in my strategy. Reason being, there are a lot. There are a lot of confluences to look at. As you all know, we also have the chart patterns. We have a lot to look out for. But um, but if you get a few confluences to consider in your particular strategy that you have chosen, it helps you so much to know when to identify, to know when to enter, to know when to wait, to know when to do a lot of things. So that works for me. And I believe if you take your time, understand it, it will make your trading life easier. It will make your trading life a bit faster. You will learn the simpler way to do things, I should say. So on top of that, that is my strategy, and those are some of the things that I look out for. Then I also have the indicators. The indicators back up my strategy. With the indicators, I definitely look out for, I look at them. They help me in identifying what direction I'm in. They also help me in identifying how strong the trend is. Then they also give me the different signals that, hey, over here, we are maybe breaking below. You can get ready to place in your trade. So those are some of the things that help me to identify when to enter, when to wait, when not to bother at all, when to just look at the market and wait for the best point for me to strike. Okay, so that is with my strategy. And let me hope at least you and anyone else who is watching, you have at least picked a few tips here and there. Okay, so let me see. Let me see over here. I've been seeing someone who has been so interestingly and ignorantly talking about certain things. Okay, hi Sanjay, how are you doing? Lena here is doing amazing. I'm doing okay. Sifi Uzuchi, I see you over there. Okay, Uzuchi is telling me, can I bring down to 300 US dollars? Uzuchi, by the time you have made 300 US dollars, let us hang in a little there, all right? Let us hang in a little there. Okay, Doraemon, I've already said hello to you. Hi, how are you? I'm trading from Canada over here. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Hamad. Hi, Hamad. How are you? Your girl Lena is doing amazing. I'm doing great. That is TCM Namibia. What time frame? I'm using 15 seconds for my chat. Expiration time as well. 15 seconds. Then for the candle, that is 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, here is the person. That it's me, it's you. Guys, this is not live. Don't trust her. Okay, so it's me, it's you. Thank you for your opinion. But I believe for everyone who is here, they know what they believe in and they know what exactly is um, going on. So if you do not know something, please ask instead of okay, ask instead of having your own conclusions. You are talking about 82%. But one thing you think we have the view why I have 88%. All right. Okay, smart info. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you for that. You know, some people are just not informed and they just feel like spoiling and wasting people's beautiful days. Okay. David, hi David, how you doing? Hope you are doing great. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. Yes, Wiki, yes, please. We have to be consistent. We have to be consistent, and with trading, the fact that we want to learn a lot, the fact that we want to be better traders, the fact that we want to improve ourselves, we want to do better. Consistency has to happen. Consistency has to happen. And there are people that are trading on the demos, right? One thing I can say is that there is a way the demo makes you feel in a different way, trading wise. But if at least you get something small with a pocket option broker, I believe the last time I asked it was $5, $10 around there. So please, if at least you can be on the real chart, you try to trade. That way, you learn a lot about risk management. You also learn, like when you make those losses, it gets to your heart, it gets to your heart. So, you challenge yourself, you teach yourself how to make sure that you avoid those losses, you make sure that you learn more, you make sure that whenever you make a loss, you keep asking yourself, why did I make that loss? How did it come? That lesson keeps in your mind, you keep going day by day. So when you are having real trading and you make those real losses, there is a way it improves you in your trading journey. Okay, so for someone who is starting, I would advise you put in something. After all, I believe that is the price that we pay for our learning and for becoming better traders. So those are some of the things that I would advise you, some of the things that I can tell you to do that maybe probably I did not have in my beginning of trading, the mistakes that I made, the losses that I made. But if we are here, we can share, we can become better traders, we can improve ourselves. If you have something to talk about, we have the comment section. Please talk about it. If you are having a challenge, if you are having difficulties in your trading, please let us talk about it all and everything. Whenever I come here, it's always our time to shine, our time to share ideas, to identify where things are not going right. Okay, so please, everyone's comment, everyone's ideas are all most welcome. Let us talk about them. Let us see how best to go about them. And the most important thing, Let us see how to trade easily. Lena over here, I never look for complicated ways of trading. I do not. I'm someone who loves simplicity. And with actually pure price action, I picked out those few confluences that make my life easy, because if you have many, you get confused in the long run because you do not know, should I follow this? Okay, I have this is in place. Market direction tick, market structure tick, the candlestick pattern are giving me what I want. Then you have other like 4 things to look out for. I don't know, I love simplicity in everything that I do, so I think that's me, and I've seen positive results in it. Okay. Mhm. Okay, Raphael is saying something here. Raphael, one thing I can tell you is that there are days when things are hard, when you feel like you want to give up. But the time that, the fact that we keep coming here, the fact that we keep talking about trading, the fact that we keep encouraging each other, it makes things better. It makes things quite easier. It gives you that fact that you're not in this alone. If you feel like things are not going on well, please, it's okay. It's okay to chill a little and then get back when you are emotionally okay. All right. There are those days, even me up to now, I still face it. There are those times when I feel like today, me and the market, if we proceed, I do not know. But then remember, the market does not feel what we feel, all right? So it simply means it comes back to us that we have to organize ourselves, we have to positively motivate ourselves, okay? Yeah. A perfect deep sleep, Polly. Hi, how you doing? Hope you are okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. I have contacted your Telegram. Can you respond for the trading I have? Okay, send. All right, all right, all right. Okay, okay, so with the donations, we are here. Let me see, let me see. John Luck. Hi, John Luck, how you doing? How you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you join in. Let us proceed. I'd like to know you to know, do not understand, but understanding quite well. Okay, you okay? Okay, Burgess, which country? Oh, okay. Which country are you in? I'm streaming live from Canada here. How about you? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Let me know, let me know. Okay. Okay. Hamad, let's take it one day at a time. One day at a time. Kashan, how are you doing? Good to have you. Good to have you around. But actually, what you see there, it's no different from how I look like. Godwin is in the building. Hi, Godwin. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. So we are already into it. Good to have you, Godwin. Thank you for joining in. Mhm. Liston, hi Liston, how you doing? You're joining in from London. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Okay, let us proceed. We watch the market and we definitely strike. Beautiful. Look at that. You can hear with a smile. If the days are not good, if the days are not good, one thing you should know is that those times that are not moving on well, just tell yourself that you can move through hell with a smile. You can definitely. And words gonna know your name. You can be a champion. All of us as traders, we can definitely be champions in our trading journey. So do not feel less of yourself. Okay, if today doesn't work out well, just know that tomorrow is going to be better. We need a plus over there. What are you doing to us? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oof. Our first participant, we have closing our loss. What's that? What's that? Okay. So sorry about that. We can be the champion. If you get one bad day, it does not mean that every day is going to be a bad day. Okay, that is 3,100. 2 attempts is what we are looking at. Okay, that is N8. Beautiful. Asking me how old I am. How old do you think I am? How old do you think I am? unconditionally. I love you unconditionally. It's a simple Friday. Beautiful. Yay. That is for Frederick. Congratulations, Frederick. Unconditionally. Let me see some congratulations to Frederick. Okay, thank you, Godwin. Thank you, Godwin. Let us sit tight. Let me get focused and we definitely milk out what we came for. Perfect deep sleep, Polly. Thank you, darling. Thank you, thank you. Raphael, thank you. Okay, unconditionally. Ooh, Anna. Hi, Anna. How you doing? Hope you're good. So beautiful to see you. How is your day going? How is your Friday? Unconditionally. Just let it begin. Open up your heart and just let it begin. Open up your heart. Okay. Just one attempt. For Dolphin Marrow. Okay, we have broken below. I will love you unconditionally. Yes. Unconditionally. Unconditionally. Okay, we are getting into it. For the new people that are just joining us, you're most welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Do not forget or do not hesitate to like and subscribe. We are into build a beautiful and big family over here. Let's go. Okay, just one attempt. Okay. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. There we closing up fast. Congratulations. Okay, Akashan. Okay, it's good to have you here, but we are here to learn. We are here to grow ourselves in our trading journey. One, if you feel whatever is happening here is not to your liking, feel free not to come through, all right? It's just a humble request. It's a humble say, all right? And one thing I don't like is people naming out people, all right? Everyone here is most welcome. People here are respectful. People here are amazing people. So if you feel like this is not a community that you love being in, all right, just go off, all right? Do it quietly, and no one will say a thing. If you are here, behave yourself, okay? Respect everyone who is here, okay? I don't like people naming others, saying this, that, that. Please do not do that. If you want to do that, do it somewhere else. I'm saying this respectfully. So watch what you say here. Thank you. Soldier. It's a beautiful day. It's a Friday. Please do not kill our vibe. Carry your negativity to somewhere else. Okay? So do not say I did not warn you. Okay, let me read you. An originate. Okay. All right, that is Wiki over there. So for the donations, when you check in my description, there is a donations link over there, and that is the only way I receive donations in, right? That is the only way I receive donations in. Okay, Hamad. Yes, I am live every day. Monday to Monday, we are here together. When you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. Icon G. How to get in contact. In my description over there is my Telegram link. Yes, that is how you can get in touch with me through Telegram. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Don't be scared, no, don't be scared. So sorry about that. You still look perfect as days go by. Even those ones who make me smile. I'd stop the world if it gave Nicole's, we are taking it for 4 atoms. When you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone. Okay, so that is our first attempt. Can you love someone? And you're not afraid to lose them. You probably never loved someone like I do. like you. I thought it'd be hard to find the one till I found you, and I find it bittersweet. Dwayne, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Good to have you. Good to have you join in. A perfect deep sleep, Polly. You know, I do not like people uh, who criticize people, you know. We have very many people who come through here and people love joining. So when people start calling out different countries, this one, I have very many people over here who are from those different countries, all right, and they are very respectful, they are very nice people. So if something like that happens, it does not make them feel good. Yet everyone on this beautiful group, this beautiful family, everyone is here to feel loved, is here to feel, to learn. We are here to learn, to improve ourselves in our trading. That is all we are here for, okay? So I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay, but anyways, let's proceed. Every melody is timeless. Life is stringing me along. Then you give me you love me. Solo singing okay. I can't find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, okay, that is our second attempt. But in this particular moment, it looks like the market is playing tricks on us. So that simply means we have to be careful. We have to watch closely. Every day you hear I'm healing. I was running out of love. I never thought I'd find this feeling. I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. Backseat for you and me. Every melody is timeless. And now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. Okay, so just 2 more items to go. Let us proceed over here. Somebody. Okay, so we go in for our last attempt. Okay. That is beautiful. We close in a plus. That is for Nicole's. Congratulations.
Mama told me, make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
Okay.
It was a big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady bigger. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old.
Okay, so that is for River Debt. We are looking at a take profit of 2,000.
Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals. I don't believe in failure. Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me. At least we do it bigger. And if we don't eat before I leave, I hope I see you later. Once I was 20 years old. Story got told.
Okay, so that is for our first item, but remember we are looking at a take profit of 2,000.
Soon we'll be 30 years old. Songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still rolling. Soon we'll be 30 years old.
Oh dear.
I'm still learning about life.
Oh dear.
So I can sing them all my songs.
That is for River Debt. Just to our second attempt, we have closed in our lows. So sorry about that.
Daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I rode the leather ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold?
Okay, exotic fire band, that is 353 items. Okay, let's see for exotic. I saw you around today. I pray we close in a plus. Okay, that is our first attempt. Keep it focused and we see. Okay. For the last attempt, let's see. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh no. This is not good at all. Not good at all. So sorry about that. That is for exotic. For our last attempt, we have closed in our loss. Not good at all. Yes, please. That is Valence. Oh dear. What is happening in the market today? Okay, that is a Fennel. Hi, how you doing? Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Sai Mara, hi, how you? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Okay, Alexander. Hi, Alexander. How are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you join in. I'm doing great. How about you? How is your Friday going? How is your Friday? Yes, please. It's okay. Okay, just watching out. Let's get ready. Yes, please. Alexander is doing great. That is beautiful. That is amazing. Today, truth be told, the market is for watching closely. That is our first attempt. Okay. I know. Okay, that is for our second attempt. We have just one more to go. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So we have closed in a plus. That is for Valent. Say your tears for another day.
Yeah, I broke your heart like someone did to mine. Now you will love me for a second time. I don't know why I run away. Oh girl, I make you cry when I run away. Girl, take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. I realize too late.
Your tears for another day.
I'll make you cry when
Coffee, how you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Thank you for joining in. How is your day going? How is your Friday going? Tears for another day. Oh my goodness, what is this today? Who am I looking at? That is DJ System. Hi, DJ System. How are you? How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing okay. So as I was saying, DJC still okay. That is amazing. The last time we talked, you were going through some few challenges here and there. Let me hope you're doing okay now. Let me hope you're fine because you told us at that time we see you around. You will definitely be fine. So let me hope you are doing okay. It's so good to have you. I feel so happy. I feel so excited. I feel so excited. Okay, let me see. That is good. If you are doing great, if you are definitely fine, that is what I want to hear from you. Okay, so over there I see TC. What time frame are you using? 15 seconds for the chart time frame, 15 seconds for the expiration time, 5 seconds for the candles. Okay. Okay. Thank you, DJ System. I don't know, but just know I feel so happy and so excited. Yadav is in the building. Hi, Yadav. How are you? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. How is your day? How is your day going? It's a beautiful Friday over here. How is yours? How is your day going? Let me know how everything is on your end. That is Ko. Hi, Ko. How are you? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you join in. Let's go. We are taking it for 3 attempts. Let's see. Hi, Solutions. How you doing? Hope you are doing great. Uzbekistan. How is Uzbekistan? How is it doing? How is everyone over that side? Hope all is well. It's so sweet. I'm drowning in the ocean. Come and take me away. Okay, we are into with our second attempt. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. It did not close in our favor. So sorry about that. Missing me. Okay, so let us have our next list over there. To go away from home. Yeah. Why? Okay. Okay, so that is our first attempt. It's a Friday, guys. We definitely need to cash out some amazing amounts from this market today, but the market is acting in a funny way. To go away from home, you know. Why you want to go away from home, you know. Now we are still proceeding down. My fire. Okay, okay, okay.
When I say I want it that way, but we apart. It leads to your heart when you say
heartache.
Tell me why
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Tell me why I never wanted
You say I want it that way. Okay, so that is our fourth attempt. Just one more to go for shadow. I want it that way.
Tell me why
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why
I never wanna hear you say I want it that way.
now I can see that
Mhm.
the way that it used to.
Yeah.
No matter the distance, I want
Okay, congratulations to Shadow. My fire, desire. We're nothing but a heartache, but a mistake. You say I want it that way. Okay, Ethereum wallet for Shadow. I never want. Okay, so for anyone who is thinking or who is asking, what's this? What's going on over here? Okay, so over here, what we are having, I'm having donations. This is where I have different participants, different people come through, and I trade for them on my live session, right? And for anyone who is asking themselves how to join in, um, when you check in my description over there, the donations link is over there. Okay, so you can check it out and see what it entails, what it involves. Okay. Then for anyone who would love to have an account with pocket option, still check in my description over there. The pocket options link is attached. Okay, you can check it out and see. Since we are going into the weekend, you know there are some other people who trade on the normal market. Then when it comes to the weekend, we opt for the OTC markets because at the end of the day, we want to be making money in all different points of life, all right? So you could check it out and see how it operates as well. Mr. Green. Mr. Green is saying, I've blown everything I had in today's trading session. Oh dear, so sorry about that. How unfortunate. So sorry, my dear. Next time it will be better. It will definitely get better. Sorry about that.
You don't wanna be alone. I know I always come and go, but it's out of my control.
Okay. So we are looking at 1,200.
An eternal flame, I believe it's meant to be. Want you when you are sleeping. You with me. Do you feel the same? Am I only dreaming? Is this burning?
Okay, congratulations. That is to Lucan. Congratulations.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I tried so hard. You know you want me, so don't keep saying our hearts tied. You claim it's not in the cards, and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide it's on my destiny? What if we run?
Okay, that is wait animations. What's going on here? So over here, first of all, I'm trading on a pocket option. This is a pocket option broker. No, my dear. No, my dear. Um, whenever after trading for someone, I don't know if you have just joined in, but whenever I am what happens is after trading for someone, what you see on the chart over there, those are the different people who sent in the participants that sent in their money for me to trade for them. So whenever I have a time out on my wallet, I set here at $1 and 1 minute for me to buy some time such that I can deposit the money on someone's account, so right, or in someone's wallet. So that's what's going on. But as you can see over here, I'm transferring into that is Lucan's wallet. Okay, so after that, I set back to the amount that it's supposed to be at, okay, what someone is actually risking. So as you can see over here, that is 350 US dollars. Okay, that is what I'm risking. So I take a back and I put my maximum over there. Then I change back to my 15 seconds. Rewrite story.
It's not a secret that I can have you without a broken hand. I will always remember. day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. It went just like this, no, it's never been better. And the
Okay, so let us get into it.
we were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true.
Okay, so Duck requested for one attempt and we have closing
Where we
plus.
sang songs with all our childhood friends, and it went like this: say, ooh, and now Papa singing blah blah blah. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time.
Okay, so as you can see over there, wet animation. That is the same thing that I've done again. Just trying to buy some time.
Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002. Yeah. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods on an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this: say, ooh, and now Papa singing blah blah blah.
Hold up.
If you wanna go and take a ride with me, but hit me, baby, one more time.
Baby, tell me what we on the days we were young.
Singing at the top of both our lungs.
For the day we fell in love. Ooh, ooh,
On the day we fell in love.
ooh, ooh.
Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. Oh, now, oops, I got
Standing on the
singing at the top of both our lungs.
on the day we fell in love. Ooh, ooh,
On the day we fell in love.
ooh.
On the day we fell in love.
On the day we fell in love.
On the day we fell in love.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so that is Tether Wallet. Congratulations once again. Void 353 atoms. The only real ones in the jobs. I'm the one you. Ooh, I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. Okay. When you wake up. Okay, so we have 10 more items to go. Oh,
Morning in the dark, know you wanna ride now. Yeah. Let the only one intimidate you. I'm the one, yeah. Whoa. We pull it down. Okay. I'm the only one. Okay. Booty on it, what you got? Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are taking it slow and okay. Ooh, oh no, after my full excitement, what's this? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Just at our last attempt of closing our lows. Okay, so next that is white car, still the same amount, 350. We are looking at 3 items. Let me look at the market closely. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dark. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. Okay, let me see for the second attempt. I'm the one, yeah. Ooh, I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. Don't you know, yeah? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? Okay. Just one more attempt for white ticker and we close it up. I am the one for you. I am the one. One more. We need a plus. We need a plus. Oh dear, no. What's going on? What's going on? Oof. Not good at all. Let me keep it positive. Let me keep it positive. We see. Okay, just added on that will be the last one. I know. It's heartbreaking. It's heartbreaking. Excuse me. But at the same time, I have to manage my emotions such that I get better results.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I trade with. Oh dear. Oh goodness. Very, very, very bad moments.
It's beautiful, it's bittersweet, you're like a broken home to me. I take a shot of memories and black out like an empty street. I fill my days with the way you walk and fill my nights with broken dreams. I pick up others on my head like one day you'll come back to me now. Not hold on, hold on, desperate to show on. Not holding on, holding on. Beautiful mistakes. I'll make inside my head. She's making in my bed. And I will lie awake. Making beautiful mistakes. I wouldn't take them back. I'm in love with the past. And I will lie awake. Making beautiful mistakes. In my head. In my bed.
Beautiful mistakes. We have two more to go.
Then I will lie awake, making beautiful mistakes. I'm in love with the night. And I will lie awake, making beautiful mistakes. In my head.
Oh goodness. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? This is not good. Not good at all.
My love out of your bed. Now you're stressing out, pulling your hair, smelling your pillows and wishing I was there. Sliding down the show all of the stairs. I know it's hard to let go of the best. Best you ever had and best you gon' get. If we break up, I don't wanna be friends.
Beautiful mistakes. Okay, guys. I need to close with a plus. I need to close with a win. This is my last person for the donations. I'm just watching closely to close with a plus. But guys, after this, I will definitely close my donations and close the session as well. Thank you guys for today. It has been an amazing, amazing day, an interesting Friday. We have really, really enjoyed our time together. And each and every single day, we should always stick together, always come through, and definitely enjoy our sessions together. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys so, so much. Have a beautiful rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Perfect Deep Sleep Polly. I appreciate you. Exotic, thank you so much. Wet at animations, thank you so much. Thank you guys. I love you so much. We have enjoyed today. We have had a nice time together. I will see you people tomorrow. Stay safe. Oh, don't you need somebody? Keep it warm all night.